Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add Fibonacci levels in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader and let's add a Fibonacci. So go to this pen, click on it, go to Fibonacci retracement, click on it, and this is our Fibonacci. Now let's say for example, I want to add the 88.6% level here. All you have to do is click on it 2 times. Scroll down until the end, you will see here levels and you will see edit price levels. Click on it. Now go to configured and click on add. Click on your new level here at 0. Go to value and add the value you want. For this example, I will add 88.6%. Okay. Now if you want to change the color, click on line and go to color and you can choose any color you want. So let's choose for example red. Click on OK and click on apply. As you can see here, our new level is here on our Fibonacci, but you still have one step. Go to template, click on it, and click on save. And click on save as default. Because if you didn't do this step, you won't see this level in another Fibonacci. Okay? So click on yes and click on OK. Now let's add a new Fibonacci. As you can see, we have the new level. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.